All right, NetDocs. It's a cloud-based document management system. Okay? It's in the cloud. I'm in Google Chrome right now. When we set up NetDocs for law firms, we install software on their computer. Windows, that's called ND Office. Mac, it's called ND Click. Why do we have to install software if NetDocs is a cloud-based product on local computers? Here's why. If I come over to this document and click on it, it is downloading to my computer, and then I have to find it. All right. So we're going to come over here to my downloads. This could change depending on what type of computer. So, all right, here's the document. I'm going to open it up. Now I have to click enable editing because it came from there. I'm going to make some changes here. I'm going to hit save and close it. Okay. Changes were made. Not going back into NetDocs. Like, how could it? There's no software there. So NetDocs, the software, takes care of bringing a document down, opening it up in whatever Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and then putting it back up when you're done with the document. So if you do not have NetDocs installed on your Windows or Mac, you can still use it. It's a little more difficult. Now, all web browsers are different. You can change where the download folders are, but it's usually in downloads. On Windows, I can't even remember where it is on Mac. But like for this document, we made changes. We want to get it back in. We will click on the green check mark to check in. We have to choose the file where it came from. I'm going to now go over to downloads. All right. And then I'm going to choose this. Now it's, again, gets more difficult because I downloaded it twice. I need to grab this one, open, and now I will check the file back in. So you can use it. Yes, it's different. We understand that. All right, the document, and we've cleared the green check mark now. So if it's a one-off, you just got to do something. This works. Other option here, by the way, is to right-click, open in Word Online, and if you do this, there is no checking in or checking out because this will just go into Word Online. So if you don't have NetDocs installed on your computer, maybe that's the best way to do it. If it's a Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. But if it's not, then you can just make changes here. And then close this. And those changes are kept in NetDocs. See, it's automatically checked back in. So if it's a one-off, you just got to get on this computer. Maybe it's at home or something. Right-click, view in Word Online. Or if you download it, just make sure that you check it back in. Or it's checked out to everyone and no one can do anything with it.